This 5-minute solution will show you how to reset my Roblox account password without an email address. So if you're trying to log into your Roblox account and you forgot your account password and you don't have your Roblox account email address, follow these simple steps to reset your Roblox account without your email address. So first of all, open your browser and type here Roblox support. Now open the first link and it's roblox.com/support. Once you are in the support page, here you'll get a form. So all you have to need, enter here your Roblox account username and write here your Roblox account first name, and now in this box enter your email address. Roblox will respond to this email, so confirm this email in this box. And what device are you having the problem on? Here you have to select your device. So currently I'm using computer, so I'm selecting here PC. And type of help category, here you have to select account hacked or can't login. And in this last drop down you have to select forgot password. And in this description of issue box, you have to carefully describe that you want to reset your Roblox account password and you don't have access to the email address you used to create your Roblox account. And now you have to submit this form. Once done, wait up to 48 hours to get a response from Roblox support. That's how you'll be able to reset your Roblox account without email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.